Hello fellow photographers, this is Matt Hackney, and I'm going to share with you today the rule of three. The rule of three says that we only want three things in our shot. So today I have Kiani as my model, and she's going to be working with me as one of my shots. Second shot, the beautiful beach in the background. We also have the sand. So the sand, the beach, and Kiani all mixed together. She has nice brown skin with the brown sand, has a blue outfit on with a blue beach, and mixing all that together gives you three focuses with a great shot. So let's go ahead and go over and see Kiani. We have three different focuses, and that's all it takes to get great beach photography.